I open the window. I open the window.
I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning.
I wipe my mouth. I wipe my mouth. I tie my hair. I tie my hair. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I make my bed. I make my bed. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes.
I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
I dust the table. I dust the table. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror.
Ooh, I am distracted. I am distracted.
I am skeptical. I am skeptical. I wake up early. I wake up early. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. I am annoyed. I am annoyed. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I move a chair. I move a chair. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I am relaxed. I fluff the pillow. I fluff the pillow. I use soap. I use soap. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I replace the toilet paper. I replace the toilet paper. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I am relaxed. I close the cabinet. I close the cabinet. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I wipe the floor. I wipe the floor. I dry my face. I dry my face. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I am relaxed. I spray air freshener. I spray air freshener. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wash my face. I wash my face. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I turn on the water. I turn on the water. I turn off the water. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I stand at the sink. I stand at the sink. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I mop the floor. I mop the floor.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun lessons.